Hello, Professor. My name is SongziCao and my number is N19920310. And in first question, find and draw capital F, Y, Y, and F, Y, Y in terms of this. And we can get that Y equal to Gx equal to 2 when x is smaller than 0 and equal to 0 for x bigger than 0, smaller than 1, and equal to minus x at 1 for x bigger than 1, smaller than 2, and equal to minus 1 for x bigger than 2. And then we can draw this plot. And thus, y is smaller than 2 and bigger than minus 1. So when f(y) equal to 0 when y is smaller than 1 and equal to 1 when y is bigger than 2, and f(y) is gradually increased. And for y bigger than minus 1 but smaller than 2, we can have at 1 equal to minus 1, probability y equal to minus 1 equals to probability x bigger than 2 and equal to 1 minus fx2. And at when y equals to 0 and the probability x equals to 0 equal to the probability x bigger than 0 but smaller than 1 and equal to f of x1 minus fx0. And x at y equals to 2, we can get probability y equals to 2 equal to probability x smaller than x and equal to fx0. And lastly, in minus 1 to 0, y is equal to minus x at 1. So we can use this equation f(y) equals to this, and then we can calculate the result is fx minus 1 at 1. So we can easily write the equation of f(y), and this is 1 minus fx2, and then multiply delta y at 1 when y is equal to minus 1, and equal to fx minus 1 at 1 and when y is bigger than minus 1 but smaller than 0, and equal to fx 1 minus fx0, and then multiply delta y when y equals to 0, and equal to fx0 delta y minus 2 when y equals to 2, and otherwise it equals to 0. Then we can calculate f(y) equal to 0 when y is smaller than minus 1 and equal to 1 when y is bigger than 2. For y is bigger than minus 1 but smaller than 0, we can calculate f(y) equals to the probability y smaller than y. Then it equals to probability minus x at 1 smaller than y. Then probability x equals to probability x bigger than minus 1 at 1. So it equals to 1 minus fx minus y at 1. And for y smaller than 2 but bigger than 0, we can get f(y) equal to probability y smaller than y, and then probability equal to probability x bigger than 0. So it equals to 1 minus fx0. And after we calculate this, we can write it as this equation, and then we can draw it for first capital f(y) equals to this plot, and when it from minus 1 to 0, it equals to 1 minus fx and minus y at 1. Yes, at 1. And when it equals to 0, it equals to 1 minus fx0, and then it will not change and until y equals to 2, and then it will increase as equal to 1, because we know that when y is bigger than 2, it equals to 1. And after that, we can draw the plot fx fyy, and when y from minus 2, then at this point it is equal to 1 minus fx 2, and it's delta y at 1. And then it will introduce this equation that fx minus 1 at 1. And then at 0 it equals to fx1 minus fx0 and delta y. And when it's equal to y equals to 2, and it equals to fx 0 delta y minus 2. That's all. Thank you.